To add tokens in Metamask, start by opening the Metamask extension in your browser and click on the Add Token button. You can find this button at the bottom of the Assets tab. Next, search for the token you want to add by using the search bar. Type in the name or the contract address of the token and select it from the list if the token is not listed. You can manually add it by clicking on the Custom Token button. To manually add a token, you need to know its contract address, symbol, and decimal places. You can find this information on the official website of the token or on a blockchain explorer website. Enter the contract address, symbol, and decimal places into the respective fields and click on the Add Custom Token button. The token will then be added to your Metamask wallet. It is essential to be cautious when adding custom tokens, as some may be scams or fake. Always verify the contract address and other details before adding a token to your wallet. After adding the token, you can view its balance and transaction history in the Metamask wallet. You can also use the token to interact with decentralized applications or send it to other wallets. To ensure the security of your wallet, always keep your Metamask password and seed phrase safe and never share them with anyone. Regularly updating your Metamask extension and being aware of phishing scams can also help protect your wallet. By following these steps, you can easily add tokens to your Metamask wallet and start exploring the world of decentralized finance and blockchain applications.